Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Fadil Pratama Dewantara. My student number is 145. On this occasion, I will to tell you about the importance of a country to export. Every country definitely wants to be a developed country, both in terms of infrastructure and human resource. However, developed countries will definitely be more recognized within the international world than developing countries. Many things are done by a country to become a developed country. One of them is by increasing the number of export. Export is an activity to send goods out of the country. The goods sent can vary from raw goods, semi-finished goods, to finished goods that are ready to use. This morning, I will explain 3 reasons it is important for a country to export. To begin with, I will explain that export can increase state income. Then I will mention that export can increase employment. After that, I will explain that increasing the number of export can improve the welfare of the community as well. Finally, I will summarize my presentation. The first reason why a country needs to export is because export can increase foreign income from that country. The reason for my statement is because with an increase in state income, the state can carry out infrastructure development as well as development in other sectors. For example, quality education development, construction of international class airports or ports to support export, and so on. And according to Amir's view, export is an effort to sell commodities to other countries by expecting payment in foreign currency as well as making commodities in foreign language. Then, quote from accurate.id, export activity will certainly have a positive impact on economic development in a country. The benefit of exporting activities are to open up new market opportunities abroad as an effort to grow investment, expand the domestic market, and increase foreign exchange in a country. Therefore, if a country wants to increase its income, it can push the value of its export to even more. The second reason is increasing employment. There is no need to deny that the impact of the export activity of goods in addition to improving the welfare of the community is also an alternative to increase employment for the surrounding community. With the increase in the number of employment opportunities, there will also be more opportunities to work for the community in alleviating the poverty line and reducing the number of domestic unemployed. Quote from ILO.org, the expansion of the export market can greatly contribute to economic growth and new jobs, given the relatively labor-intensive nature of the industry. Of the 10 samples of developing countries in Asia, the total employment in the garment and footwear industry reached more than 40 million. China with 6.7 million and India with 16.8 million accounted for nearly 3/5 of the total. The workforce in this sector is also more than 3 million people in Indonesia with 3.8 million and Pakistan with 3.6 million. Therefore, it is very extraordinary, is not the benefit of export for the community. The third reason is to improve people's welfare. The role and benefits arising from the export of goods for the local community are being able to increase the welfare index of the people of a country. It is clear that exports are very profitable from various sides, especially in terms of the prosperity of a society. Not only that, exports are also very useful for increasing the number per capita of a region or even a country. According to Oka Artanayasa and Sudarsana in their journal, the problem of economic growth must be a concern because economic growth has a significant influence on the welfare of society. Good economic growth can improve the Human Development Index because economic growth has a significant effect on the Human Development Index. Economic growth also has a relationship with export. Therefore, the benefits of export will have an impact on improving people's welfare. In conclusion, a country must encourage export in order to obtain foreign exchange which will later be used for domestic development and for improving the quality of various sectors. The increase in export will also have an impact on increasing employment so that the welfare of the community will also increase. Therefore, if we help boost export, we won't be able to get this benefit. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.